Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Classes for You. Today's video is about to find multiples and factors using simple tricks. So watch this video. So friends, welcome back. Here I will tell how you can find tricks using means multiples and factor using simple tricks. So watch this video till the end. It will be very useful. Means in a short period of time you can use these tricks. Okay. So see, first I will say means I write one question, that is find the positive factors of, say, suppose 180. Okay. See, for finding these factors of 180, we have already learned about that. We can say you can find its factors by using factorization, prime factorization method or tree method, which will be very lengthy. So in a simple way I will tell how you can find out. See, 180 you can split as 18 multiplied by 10, right? 18 multiplied by 10. Easily I am telling, I will tell more examples so it will be more clear to you. So 18 you can write as 9 multiplied by 2, and here 10 you can write as 5 multiplied by 2, right? Again this 9 can be split into 3 into 3, right? So here what you have to do, listen carefully, what you have to do, here you have to count how many means these factors are there with you, that is 2. How many times? 2 here 1 time and here 2 times. So write here 2. Again into, here 3 is there, 3 power 2, okay, and here 5 is there 1 time, so 5. So what you have to do, what the question is, positive factors of 180. So here what you can do, that the powers, what you have to do now, powers you have to add in this power 1. In every power you have to add plus 1. Means here my power is 2, so 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1. So how much? That is 2 plus 1 is 3, and here again, sorry, here 2 plus 1 3, and here 2 plus 2 is 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2. So here 3 3s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So how many factors I will get for 180? I will get 18 factors. See, we will see more example again. See, let us take one more example, that is say 96. Okay, 96. Okay, here I have to take 96 for power of this is, say, I can split as by using tree method I am using here. You can use any other method also. So here what I can do is 2 multiplied by 48, right? 48. 48 multiplied by 2, again you will get 96. So here again 48 you can split, that is in what? You can say 2 multiplied by 24, right? 2 multiplied by 24. Again this 24 you can split 3 8s are, right? 3 8s are you can write, and here you can again split as 2 multiplied by 4, and this 4 again you can split, that is 2 multiplied by 2, right? But the question is you have to tell the positive factors of 96. Means if there is 96, how many factors you will get? That will be, see here how many 2's you have to see, 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 5 times 2, okay, and 3 is I think 1 time only. So what you have to do, again you have to add in power, what you have to do, you have to add plus 1. So 5 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 6 multiplied by 2, you will get 12 factors. So Friends, what I mean to say that instead of doing that long method, you have to see 180 factors, 1 into 2 into, that is very lengthy method. This is a simple trick. With this, you can remember how you can find out the factors of big number also. Okay, so here what I did, 180 I split into, means you can write directly 180 as a tree method also, but here it will be easy. Whenever you get any number with 0 and with 0, you can split like this. If suppose one more example is there, see 2500, again you can split 25 multiplied by 100. So this method again you can use here, tree method, and whatever you are getting factors, you have to add plus 1 to the power, and you, when you will add the plus 1 to the power and you have to multiply, you will get the factors of 180 is 18 and the factors of 96 is 12. So in this way you can find the trick for multiple factors, and you can easily find out the factors of this number. Okay, so I will tell one more example for even numbers and odd numbers. With that we will see how you can find out using simple trick only. Okay, so see, friends, the question is find the even positive factors. Okay, even, as I am telling you, even number, even positive factors. Okay, see, this kind of question you will get in like 6th and above or 5th and above, for finding the factors of any number they will give you. Okay, so I will take as even positive factors. Say, let us take example as say what, 220. Okay, we will say 220. So 220 I can again split as 22 multiplied by 10. Again the same method you have to use, tree method, that is 2 multiplied by 11 and here 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, so here 222, what you will get, 2 power 2, how many 2's are there, 2 power 2, and here 11 one time and 5 also one time. Okay, so here friends, what I have to do, as the question is for even number, what you have to do, as I am having here power 2, so you have to remove, see here some rule is there, you have to remove minus 1 with this from power. Okay, from power. So 2 minus 1. Okay, and here again same method, power you have to add, and here 1 plus 1. So here 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 2 is a 4. So here you will get the even factors of these 220. You will get 4 factors. What I did here, as a question is for even positive factors from these 220. So here again I split as tree method. Here what I did, 22 multiplied by 10, you will get 220. So 2 into 11, 22, and here 5 2's are 10. So what I did here, how many 2's are there? 2 times you will get, 11 is 1 time and 5 is again 1 time. So for even, whenever you will get even number, what you have to do, you have to remove from this power 1. So what you will left, this is 1. Okay, and here again the same method as I told earlier, that is to the power I have to add 1 and here 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 2's are 4, 4 1's are 4. So for these even positive factors you will get 4 factors of this 220. Okay, and now we will see for odd. Let us take odd factors, how you can do. Say suppose an example I will take, odd factors, odd positive factors. Say suppose what example I can take, 186. Okay, 186. Again you can split this as 3 multiplied by how much? Not 3, okay? Yes, 3 multiplied by 2 and this 62, okay? Right? 3 multiplied by 62 I can say. And this 62 again you can do how much? What is 2 multiplied by 31, okay? Right? So here 186, here you have to tell the odd positive factors of 186. In this, again there is one rule, I can say rule for this, even and odd, that is rule here you have to remove all 2, means all 2 you have to remove from power, right? Whatever is there from power I can say, okay? So here 2 power is 1 and here 3 31 power 1 and here what is this 3 power 1. So here what you have to do, this you have to remove completely, means you have to remove completely 2, not only power, you have to remove completely 2, okay? Not only power I can say, remove all 2, or you can say, means completely you have to remove from this. Here 1 plus 1, again same method, you have to add the powers and you have to put multiplication as it is, 1 plus 1, here 2 into 2 you will get 4 factors of odd positive number in this 186. So friends, in this way, with these simple tricks, what I want to convey that to you, that with these tricks you can easily find, okay, within short period, okay, because see, when you go for any exam or any entrance, there are so many questions are there belonging to this topic. So friends, what I mean to say here, that with this trick you can easily find the answer. So watch this video, hope so you like it, share it. Thank you.